Silver continues to push to the resistance points, but pulls back. Will it break the resistance point of $70 this week? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody, and happy coffee, happy hump day, everybody. We made it to hump day. I made it to hump day. Only 2 more days left till the weekend after today. Silver continues to test the resistance points of 69 and 70. We've gone 69. We can't seem to hold 69, and we need to push to 70. It's touched 70 a couple of times and does not hold very long at all. Will we do it this week? We're going to talk about that on this morning's updates. We're going to talk about our mining stocks, everybody, what miners stocks are doing right now in miners minutes after our updates. So before we get started, once again, everybody, happy coffee. First sip of the day right there, everybody. I waited till I started filming for you to take my sip of my coffee. So everybody, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you're new to stacking, welcome to stacking. Welcome to this family of stackers. We've got great stackers on this channel. A lot of people comment on these videos. So if you need some advice, a little help, although we're not financial advisors, hey, ask a question. We'll answer it the best we can. I'll try if I can. But there's also a lot of great stackers on here that can answer some questions if needed, if you're new into stacking, everyone. So let's get started on our gold and silver this morning. $4,624 on gold, everybody. Gold is down about 34, 35 bucks this morning, but it continues to hold well over 4,500 this week. Happy coffee. And I think it'll continue to do this. I think gold will continue to push its way up to about 5,000 this year. And silver, some of you, 80s, 90s, will it hit 100? Will it hit 100, guys? Everybody, make sure you leave your comments down in the comments section, everyone. And let's talk about it. Is it actually going to hit 100 again this year? A lot of the experts believe it will, and they believe silver will do 5,000 plus. And then there are some experts that are a little more conservative with a pullback maybe down to 60. So silver is at 68.57 this morning, everyone, and it's still doing really good. Yesterday evening, we went up over 69. We did over 69 for quite a while. And this morning, I'm hoping by today, hump day, that silver continues to climb up. But we got to hit that 69 mark and keep it. We have to keep it. It went pretty good over 69. What was it last night? 69.28 or something, last one I saw. So it's actually doing pretty good. We're in a little bit of a sideways downward movement. The last couple of days, you know, we ended up at what, 68.86 last Friday. So technically we're down a few cents, 20, 30 cents, guys. And, but I think that we're going to push, either we're going to stick to being even this week on Friday, or we're going to hit that 69 and maybe, break into 70. You just never know with silver, with what's going on. We've got some new tariffs going on against Canada, and then Canada came back and threw tariffs on us. We've got oil prices are down, everybody. We got the U.S. dollar that's up a little bit. So things seem to be balancing out a little bit. But there are some pretty key resistance points, some market drivers. Oh, what was that? Here we go. We'll talk about that in just a second. Platinum, 1856 this morning. It's actually up $5. It's down, but it's up $5, guys. And 1320 on palladium. And rhodium actually dropped down to 8400 from 8550. So, like we said, rhodium takes big drops. If any of you guys out there know how I can get rid of the reflection on my glasses, I've done everything. But we'll continue to try and fix that problem. So sorry about the reflection on the glasses. That's one of the bad things after 50 and 60 is you got to have glasses, a lot of you. So let's move on to Hong Kong, though. Silver is at 69.34. So they've broken over that resistance. They've been holding that for quite a while, and gold's at 4,658. God, that's good coffee, everybody. Mumbai, 4,640, and platinum at 1,863. Let's look at palladium. Palladium's 1349 in Hong Kong and 1343 in Mumbai. In London, 4,617 on gold and 68.48 on silver. You gotta love it. I'm gonna do another little rant on the comments that either made me laugh or chapped me. It's always kind of fun to read some of the comments, everybody. But one of the comments basically was talking about, everything that I do on this channel is just a bunch of baloney in certain words. And I didn't know what I was talking about and all that stuff. Well, you know what, bud? I challenge all of you that like to make those kind of comments on this channel to develop your own channel. Throw yourself in front of thousands and thousands, possibly millions of people, and let's see how well you do. But everyone, I do my research on this stuff. I do look at it. I do watch it, and I love it. I love doing this for you, everyone out there. So thanks for watching. I appreciate, and thanks for commenting, good and bad. Thanks for commenting. That means you're watching the video and you're watching it through so you can critique me. Happy coffee. There's nothing that you can do that's going to get under my skin, but it's always fun to talk about these comments because these comments, some of them are just plain stupid. I mean, there's some angry people out there. I'm just telling you, angry. Let's move on. How about the gold to silver ratio, everybody? Gold to silver ratios, 67.43. Still, in my opinion, a good time to get gold and a good time to get silver. Both silver and gold, remember, if you're new to this channel and you're a new stacker, are a good hedge against inflation. They're a safe haven. They've always been money for thousands and thousands of years. And I will continue to do silver and gold myself, and I'll continue to stack as much as I possibly can. Another thing that we love to do is numismatics, because numismatic coins always makes it interesting. After you've started really building your silver and gold stack where you want it, sometimes it just gets boring, okay? So having a really cool numismatic coin, a valuable coin that you pay way too much for. I'm guilty, everybody. I'm guilty. It's just a lot of fun to appreciate it, everybody. So let's move on. Let's go on to our base metals this morning, everyone. Copper, everybody. Copper, one of my favorites, and you guys know it. Copper's always going to be money too. Copper's always going to have value too. They price it, unfortunately, by the pound, but they talk a lot about it in ounces. Eventually, I believe copper is going to be classified two different ways, industrial and investment grade. So in the future, I think, but that's just an opinion. So it could go the other way. 653 on copper this morning. Way to go, copper. You're still holding strong. You're up from 650 and 761 on nickel. Nickel's down just a little bit. Coffee is good. I got to have more of that this morning, guys. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm getting started late, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. Aluminum is at $1.45 and lead's hit 84 cents once again, everyone. And gold backs. I love my gold backs, guys. Now I'm thinking about doing a video with gold backs and with nuggets, with my gold back, my gold back stack since I started, and my gold nuggets since I started. Just bringing them all out, showing them to you. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video like that. I think it'd be a lot of fun to pull out my gold back, gold nugget stack and show everybody. It's just something different than just everybody pulling out all their silver and their gold and showing everybody, which there's a million channels that do that, right? So we're going to think about doing that. Gold backs are $9.31 today. And it will change by 11 o'clock depending on what the gold does today. So they follow the gold market, everybody. Oil, right now, let's refresh this. Oil was 99 just a little bit ago when I first woke up, and now we're down to 98. Not oil. Here we go. BNSSC, the dollar, everybody. The dollar is down a little bit. It's 98.98. Golly, if oil was 98.98 per barrel, holy smoke a chicken, man. Our silver would possibly be going down. So the U.S. dollar 98.98 continues to be one of the issues with gold and silver. People are pulling out of treasury bonds or pulling out of bonds. The yields are down, guys. The interest payments are down. So what do? They go to gold and silver. They go to gold and silver as a safe haven. And for me, it is definitely a safe haven. So what is oil doing this morning? Everyone, oil is, let's refresh it here. When I woke up this morning, oil was about $79 a barrel. We've actually come back up to about $80 a barrel, but it's still down. And I think it's going to have an effect on our silver prices and our gold prices, everybody, depending on what those two do. But there's some resistance and support. Guys, we've got a resistance level they're talking about of 70, which is it's really pushing hard to get to 70. Silver is, but it's not quite getting there. And there's a possibility that, sorry about that. There's a possibility that silver might pull back into around 65, 66, which would be a good buying opportunity. And it's still a great buying opportunity right now, everyone. $68, $69 an ounce. I mean, a lot of people are talking about, hey, we're selling our silver off. We're dumping our silver. We're not buying any silver. I don't know why. Why, everybody? Is it a situation where you got to have some money? And I understand that if that's the case, but to bail out because you don't know what it's going to do, what silver's going to do. I mean, we all got spoiled when silver hit over 100, 80, 90, 95, 100. Everybody got spoiled, everybody. Everybody got spoiled and fooled by the big boys. And then it went kaboom and crashed down. Everybody's dauber went down into the dirt. We all got upset. We all worried about it. What is it going to do? It continued to drop and then dropped down in the 50s, and everybody's all bummed out. Guys, you got to stop it. If you're stacking silver and you're relatively new, if you're old like us and you've been stacking for 20 years, 30 years, and you're wanting to sell silver on a high, you're still making great money. But I understand if you're my age and you're up and you've been stacking for a long time and you want some money for your retirement, I understand to sell it. I understand that greatly. But if you're in your 30s and 40s and 50s and even 60s, and you just started stacking, everybody, remember, it's a long-term hold. Don't panic. Don't just jump out because you think silver's not going anywhere. It is going somewhere, and it is a long-term hold, and it is a 5-year, 10-year outlook, unlike some of the people that comment on here that talk about why 5 years, why 10 years. It is. That's just the way it works with silver and gold. And we all learn that. So that resistance point of 70, are we going to hit it Friday, everybody? Friday. We're gonna hope it does, but there's a possibility that may not. So basically, if we can hit 70, everybody, 70, there's a very good point or chance if we hold 70 that we're going to have a breakout. And I think it's coming soon. I think it's coming soon. Will it come in the next week? Will it come this month? We'll just have to watch it. We'll have to keep track of it, but I think we're going to get there. And once we hit 70, I think we've got another resistance point of 72. So there's a good possibility that we could break out once again. So, hey, you know, you do what you want to do. You're your own financial advisor. If you want to sell your silver and your gold and everything, I understand. If you want to reinvest in gold, abandon silver, you just go right ahead. I'll buy all of it that I possibly can. So when it comes to silver, so I'm sticking with it. I'm sticking with my guns on that, guys. I'm sticking to silver. Let's go on. Let's talk about some silver miners, everybody. Silver miner companies, what they have done roughly since August 1st. And I've got a little sheet that I've printed out on Hesia Mining. Hesia Mining, 47% increase in their profits this month, guys, alone, okay? Wheaton Precious Metals, they're a great big one. Sorry, hit the little fuzzy thing. And they're up 44%, everyone. Silver miners, guys, silver miners. We're buying into some mining stocks. It's pretty cool. I'm still researching them. What's the best ones? Do I want to do a high-risk miner, or do I want to be in a mining stock that's been going for years and years and years, a mining company? I don't know how you pronounce this, but it's Coeur, Coeur Mining. There's First Majestic Silver right there, and Fortuna Mining up 42%, everybody. These miners are doing fantastic. When silver goes up, the miner stocks go up. Things are looking very, very positive for the silver miners and the gold miners too. Pan America Silver's up 22%. The big boys are up. We have Silver Corp. We've heard of those guys. They're up 36% this month. And so you might think about maybe research doing some silver mining stocks if you want to diversify your investments in precious metals and silver miner stocks, gold miner stocks, copper. Copper's up, as we have talked about. The miners and copper's also up. So those are the silver miners. Just a few. We'll bring more out as we go into the miners minutes throughout this channel. We're going to talk about different companies. These are just a few that are up. The big boys, Wheaton Precious Metals, First Majestic Silver, guys, they're up over 40% just this month that we're seeing right here. So let's move on back to where is our gold right now, everybody? Before we get off of here, we're 18 minutes in. What do you think it's going to do? We've had some of you said we're thinking 72 by the end of the week. Friday's a big day. We got Bubba in here. If you can't hear Bubba, we got Bubba in here. Of course, we got the mic set. You probably can't hear him, but 72 maybe by Friday, 66 by Friday. Will we have that pullback Friday? We very well could, but we're at $4,616. and we're down on silver a little bit to 68.44. Are we going to have that pullback today, tomorrow, and Friday? It doesn't matter what it is, guys. There's nothing negative about silver and gold and copper and gold backs and all of the goodies that you collect. There's nothing negative. All that matters in this world, everybody, is if you enjoy it, you like it, you've done well at it. It doesn't matter what everybody else thinks, what everybody else tells you. It doesn't matter if you paid triple digits. If you get to sit there and enjoy what you have and love it, that's all that matters. That's what I do all the time, everybody. So, everybody, hump day, coffee, 5:15 in the morning. So this will probably post a little bit later. getting getting started a little bit late here at last few days. So anyway, hey, may the Heavenly Father bless you. May the Heavenly Father bless those less fortunate than us. And may we concentrate on the 80% that we have, not the 20% we see. Because remember, everybody, everything on this earth that you have, that I have, that we live in, that we drink, we eat, is simply just a loan. It will all be gone one day and you can't take it with you. So don't forget that. Amen. Father, thank you for that. Everybody have a happy hump day. Let's see here. Let's turn on our little thing. We got our clicker. And everybody have a great hump day. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching this through, everybody. And happy coffee, everyone. I'm out.